Welcome to the happy rhyme for kids. The little bunny woke up one day with the bright sun lighting the way. He stretched his legs and twitched his nose. Today's an adventure he happily chose. Through the meadow he hopped with glee, past the flowers and the buzzing bee. He found the stream so clear and cool, and splashed around like it was a pool. He met a squirrel with a bushy tail, who shared some acorns without fail. Be kind to others, Bunny said, that's how we make a brighter day. In the forest he heard a sound, a little bird was on the ground. With gentle care he helped it fly. Thank you, Bunny, it chirped goodbye. As the sun began to set, Bunny felt so happy yet. Helping friends and exploring too made his day